Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing walk forward optimization. All right, so walk forward optimization is a method that is used to test trading strategies using historical market data. So instead of testing a strategy on the entire data set at once, the data is divided into smaller segments. Okay, so first of all, a strategy is optimized using one segment of historical data. The rules and parameters that perform best during this period are identified. The next, those parameters are tested on a different segment of data that was not used during the optimization phase. Okay, so this helps evaluate whether the strategy performs consistently outside the original test environment. This process can be repeated multiple times as the testing window works forward through the historical data set. All right. So now you should actually know that the goal of walk forward optimization is to reduce the risk of overfitting where a strategy appears effective during testing but fails in new market conditions. So by testing strategies in sequential periods, traders can actually evaluate how adaptable a system might be across different market conditions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.